Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are on a recovery day today. So we're taking things slow with small share size. Just see how things go. Hopefully, we can recover today. Needs more buyer volume. break and hold this $6 level.
Hey Eddie, how you doing today?
Good. How you doing, man?
I don't know. It sounds like what I have might be like some kind of COVID-y type things.
Oh no.
That's what I'm hearing from Mallorca, Spain.
Mm, it's not good.
Something going around, man.
Yeah.
What? But I'm working on these docs and stuff still, trying to get that updated.
Oh, nice.
Looking forward to FOMC today. How about you?
I'll be done trading before it happens, so we'll see.
Well, then you can just watch it for the excitement.
Yeah. I don't think they're gonna cut rates.
Um, what's up?
I don't think they're gonna cut rates.
I mean, that's what everyone says. So we'll see. Um, yeah, we'll see. Mm. There we go. So, let's see. D minor off. D minor off. E2 is the show. SG. Cool. Anyway, yeah, I'm just testing that my drivers are working again because it was acting up before.
Oh, really?
So I need to see if it'll go smoothly. Actually, here you can. I don't even have any trading thing up yet, but let's see. So, what are you trading this morning so far?
I'm in REPL right now. It's just kind of going sideways on me.
What's that?
REPL. It's
That's a cool. I wonder what they do.
not really doing much.
Yeah, I just mean like as a like company or whatever.
Um, they
Let's see what this.
they're a biotech.
Oh, really? REPL.
Yeah.
That's kind of wild. Okay. Mm-hmm. School. And I'm gonna pop this out. Let's see if I can do this. And camera, my other virtual camera. I'll stream it to. I'm not gonna stream it on Rumble. I will in a minute for real, but I just need to see if it's here. Why is this text so sharp? It looks weirdly sharp. I'm still sick, clearly. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna just put that too to max it out a little bit more. Now let's see where my processor usage is at. Oh, I can tell already it's pretty high now. Okay. 98%. This is wild. It did this before, but Discord was eating up all the processor when I wasn't even doing anything.
Hmm.
It seems to be an issue of having. There's something partly going on with using a virtual camera as the screen being shared. And it's not great that it does that. But let me do this now. Okay, that brought it down a decent bit here. Let's see what my hardware encoder. Video used stream encoder. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at this. So it's sitting at like 90. Well, it's not even doing. Oh, you know what? Let me see if. Actually, no. I know the game isn't what's doing it. The game is only using a small portion. It's OBS and then Discord. I wonder if. Let's see. What if I have it doing literally just a blank screen? that just only means there? You know what I realized? No, it's that 30. The Y. Mm. That's wild. Should be running with.
This is what I like to see. Pushing above 6, and it looks like it's holding.
Wait, why is it 100%? It's crazy. Well, it's a lot less usage if I have my show my own thing.
Come on, push. I don't want it to pull back. I want it to keep going. Body all the time. Body. Just do body all the time. Body all the time. It's holding this level pretty good now. So that's a good sign. Let's go.
All right. Let me try this and see how the processor handles this. Oh, that's way too slow. I mean, that's crazy though, because it's just.
I'm gonna buy it back up.
Why do I have two resource denars? That's even crazier. Okay.
coming up on the 7 o'clock hour. Hopefully, we'll see a spike. Haven't stopped me out.
All right, here we go. Let me say something in this. Saying something now for the purposes.
Damn, that's a crazy flush.
This is the same one that I've done before. I don't even know why it put me back on first level again. It's wild. But let's see.
1 minute away from 7. We'll see it juice. $7 o'clock. I want to see it juice, not fail.
Man, one thing that's interesting is how much of a difference it does make. Um, like having it running full screen or oh wait, hold on, I wasn't including it. Oops. This is crazy. Right now, it's using less processor with all the. In fact, I bet you. Even though I've got it, you know what? Yeah, no, it's streaming and it's sharing on Discord and it's yeah, right now it's rendering at full, like ultra quality of everything.
Looks good.
Yeah, and it's capturing it like a very high frame rate. Everything's doing good. If I do the data resolutions, I just want to make sure that it like actually paying attention to any of my settings here. And the shadows look the same there. What about depth of field? Doesn't really seem like it has any kind of
Stop me out. Just can't win.
Kind of looks the same. It's so close as to almost be the same. It's crazy how little difference like a lot of those settings make. But it's running at a. Oh, now it's at 100, just barely. Oh, 96, 100.
Be right back, chat.
Yeah, even all the built-in functionality, like I turn on a slight bit of anti-aliasing and I can't even notice any of the other quality things really.
Okay, I'm back, chat.
$299. That was like 10% CPU on its own, just to put sunken ships in the background. Have you ever played this game?
No.
Oops.
I'm going to break above this 530 level and hold above VWAP. Or is it going to fail and die?
Okay, so now if I change this to be actually, what if I just even change it to just window full screen? What happens to my process usage? Okay, not so much.
FGF. It's not really much to trade. It's just slow.
takes it down another notch. Show my on screen share takes it down even another. The only thing I don't like is on a very rare occasion I get like a little frame, like a little tiny glitch for it. Okay. I'll be back in a bit.
Cool. Sounds good.
Actually, I'm gonna be in the conference room because I got to work on my other thing. So,
Oh, okay.
maybe in here. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But I'll be. I'll hang out here while I'm on.
Cool. Let's pick some new music. What's up, Frog? How you doing? Weird. Appreciate it, man. Glad you're doing well. How's Star Citizen? Good when it wants to be. Yeah, I hear that. I haven't played it in forever. I haven't played any games in forever. Actually, I take that back. I have been playing Planet Coaster too. That's a pretty good one. Come on, push. Appreciate the lurk. I don't think I have a command set up for it. I probably should do that. Make a note to do that. All right, brother, get some rest. Sleep well. Let's go. Come on, let's run. Nice. We're back green on the day. I'll take it. I'll jump back in. Come on. No, 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 no. Go up. Stopped out, but we're still green on the day. Oh, tired. Flip up. Shit.
Oh, well, my meeting's not happening yet, apparently. So I'm gonna. Whoa, that's wild. I just noticed Google Meet has a thing. It seems like it looks at your camera and can tell if it thinks you're trying to speak.
That's interesting.
So it's like, oh no, are you trying to speak? Your mic is off. But it does it when there's no like it's hardware muted. So I'm like, how does it know? And I realized it's looking at the camera.
Mm.
It's crazy, crazy time.
AI.
Right, let me go back to my AI, man. AI. So I need my. Oh, you know what? That's weird. That's my. Yeah, it's crazy too. Whenever I start Brave and go into Google Meet, it like was freaking out about the thing. Like when I would join, it would freeze up. I would test it in StreamYard, but see if that does the same thing. But I don't know that it will when the camera's already running. I don't want to mess it up. So I'm. Oh shoot! You know what? I'm going to.
Fuck. I just can't fucking win.
Why did this guy do this? Look at my screen. Are you there already? Look at this. He put
Yeah, 1 second.
yeah. I mean, obviously, if you're trading, that actually matters. But like,
Okay, I'm watching.
hold on a second. I just noticed. Couldn't get Rumble. Okay, yeah, I could. All right. Look at this. So I'm on Rumble, not Rumble stock. It's over here. But actually, how's Rumble stock? Let me look at this. But I go on here and look at my feed. There's like one thing, which is ours, just because it's upcoming. Look at this guy. He's like uploading like a ton of like 10-second clips of all these.
What the hell? What's the point of
I
that?
don't know if he's like making his game. And here's a bunch of stuff. So it's all. Ooh, Atari is buying the Stream World devs for what is this? Hold on, let me. Let me copy this to share with the Atari community or discuss with them. Save. Watch later. RSS save. Oh yeah, you just check. Share. Oh. Just put it under my profile. That's cool. But I think a $1,000 trade. Did they do it? Did you watch the show yesterday? I've been exhausted. Anyway, yeah. So everything here is normal, and then here, it's like I think this guy is making adding in news anchors and radios. Radio playlist.
In the system. Keep it here for the best music in the verse, the most up-to-date news in the Stanton system, and to keep informed on the worlds around you. Let's
Oh,
start
it's
this
a
out
Star
with Metal
Citizen
to
thing.
keep our listeners safe. This song is brought to you by the band Metal Shavings. Let this be your warning to watch your six and keep an eye on your radar. And of course, never fly direct and always bring a wingman on your route. Here we go.
I don't play
Sit
Star
back
Citizen.
And listen.
Everyone plays Star. Isn't Star Citizen? It's got like crypto stuff involved in it or something. Like you can
No.
trade. Or am I thinking a different game? Okay.
Not that I know of, anyway.
There was one game that there was one that I knew of that you could like basically like the assets, all the assets that you had in game would go on the blockchain, and then you could like sell or trade them outside the game, you know, and it would just automatically feed in. But it's just so weird. I'm just trying to figure out what the point of this was. Anyway, all right.
Happy affiliate anniversary. Is it my affiliate anniversary? Oh, nice. We're losing today. It's a recovery day, and I told myself I was going to take small size, and I haven't been taking small size. Because I am a degen and have no discipline.
Anything interesting going on yet? You found anything? Just I'm bored and like trying to focus. So I'm trying to.
Nothing really going on. There's a few things that are moving in small cap land, but not much.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I know the problem. I know what I need to do to fix it.
Oh, anything on your list?
Yay!
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
BGLC.
Yeah.
I'm short in it right now.
Okay. Oh, nice.
I'm not gonna touch anything on trade the pool till the open. I'm annoyed because I had some good progress, and then I'm gonna go get some Sudafed.
Yeah, I know the problem. I know I need to fix it. But I'm frustrated. I'm tilted. And I'm losing control of my emotions on it. Still a good day though. Despite being red again.
Did that IMNN stop to go?
All right.
Was it that up? Yeah. Oh, it died direct. Okay. Did this IMNN have any news?
I don't know. It hasn't popped up on the scanner for me today. Just get on down.
Died really fast. Come on, BGLC, die. So Eddie gets money. I think you're good if 640 breaks, so. I have this SRPT on my long now.
I'm partially on tilt.
Everyone is watching the Aussie funeral.
What, is there something in the Aussie dollar or what?
No, just a funeral.
It still won't work. I'm telling you, you need to do a factory reset on your PC. Because when I had Call of Duty that wasn't working, that's what it took, was me resetting my PC.
Kind of like the Starbucks long, but there's that 100 so close. So that breaks, so could go up $5 or something.
No, you don't have to. You don't have to. Just remember what programs you have. Because that's the only thing you have to reinstall is all your programs. It'll save all your files.
VTLC is making a higher low now, so that's not good. Hope you have a good average on that.
I got out, stop loss, break even.
VTSE? BTSE?
VTLC.
BGLC.
Oh, BTLC. Wow, I got like every single one of those letters wrong. It's amazing. BioNexus Gene Lab Corp.
Yeah, the only thing that it doesn't save is your programs. So you can get a list of the programs, but you basically just factory reset your PC while saving all of your files, preserving those, but it wipes out all the programs.
Weird. Yeah.
And then all you have to do is reinstall the programs. Be right back.
Maybe so far short. Yesterday
morning was earnings, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but that red yesterday.
So pop, right?
Yeah, but now it's giving all up. So I think there's gonna be a lot of profit taking because.
Okay, I'm back.
Scary red candle on the right from the 24th.
Wow, look at that. It's amazing.
So I think it's a lot of longs have stop loss over here. So yeah, that could be a good play.
Simple blood draw that looks for fragments of tumor DNA circulating in the bloodstream.
And
That's
W is
cool.
breaking daily 200. So
Hey, good morning, everyone.
good morning.
A
Good morning.
day, good day.
Yeah, yeah. I have to do one mode my daughter already. So
I was just gonna say, you're here
yeah,
early. What's
yeah. I had some help. So
Okay, nice.
yeah,
How we doing this morning in pre-market?
I haven't played anything. But I think Eddie has some.
I'm red on the day, but it is what it is.
Okay, okay.
Nothing's really
Morning,
moving in
morning,
small
Tim.
cap
You
low.
got your mic on today. You got any meetings this
Yeah,
morning?
yeah. What's that?
You got any meetings this morning?
You mean in here or elsewhere?
Oh, just in general. I mean, I know you always have meetings and stuff, so just in general.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, I was supposed to be meeting Michael this morning, but then Michael Katz, not Michael Mouse, but
Gotcha.
then he had to push it. So sometimes when he
Gotcha.
gets busy, then supposedly I have a standing meeting with him every week, and then it's tough because like something will come up. But I'm actually
What's
trying
up,
to find
Jeffrey?
out something from him on the payout.
Coffee's in, but
the
I
payout account.
I started out using small size, but now I'm back to
So
Yeah.
larger size,
just kinda, but
and
he's got a million
I'm
things
down
to
on
do.
the day 239.
Bet.
And I got to meet with Iveta as well about similar stuff. So
Gotcha.
basically, just clarifying the terms and getting
FOMC,
switched
I
to
think
Revolution and
I think they're gonna continue to hold rates the same. I don't think they're gonna cut.
but also FOMC, of course, right? So
Yeah, this is the 25K account.
Awesome.
look at what I was looking at.
Eddie, I didn't mean to cut you off. I heard what you said. You said that you was red on the day. What did you trade this morning?
REPL, REPL,
Yeah.
and BGLC.
BGLC. BGLC. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's right here. It's biotech. I didn't look at this one this morning because when I got to it, it was like 40%, but now it's like um, it's up 60 now. Did you long this or what happened with this one?
Yeah, 500 is the max daily. I've taken long and shorts on both.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, first trade of the day. First like conscious trade of a few days. Yesterday I had some trades and then I just like all of a sudden this fatigue. I hear there's a COVID going around, so it might be that, honestly.
Yeah, you know what?
Just
I
been
think
miserable
I
last
think
couple
there
weeks.
is. Yeah, my daughter is like she's been on and off sick, but like now this is like hurting her stomach, and
Yeah, hold on, let me see. Headache, sinus
yep,
congestion,
yep,
dizziness, like
yep,
vertigo, sudden severe fatigue, and then like digestive stuff.
yep. Just the dizziness. No, she hasn't been dizzy, but like yeah, the digestive stuff. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
I heard from different. Well, I mean, and that was the thing with COVID too. You had these weird collections of symptoms, and people would get some or the others, or all or none. So,
yeah.
but there's always something floating around. So,
Ooh, speaking of that, I gotta send an email.
But yeah, I'll probably switch to the conference. I try to be online when I'm working on docs and stuff because I started realizing like unless it's something that's really under wraps coming up, that can give some visibility to people who are interested in the process and
Yeah.
you know. But every time I've tried, I've just gotten last couple weeks I've just been out of it. So.
No, for sure. No, it's always good to see you here, but we always have that expectation that you're doing something. So it's like, all right, cool. So when you're in the chat, we'd be like, what? Tim is not doing nothing? What's going on? So
No, I'm always. But yeah, like the
where is it? Oh,
I'm gonna see how these calls are doing. So I have some positions going into FOMC for sure, incidentally, because I've got let's see, I think I mentioned this before. I've got no on no change for crypto.com. They have the prediction, and I don't know if it's their own prediction markets or it's the same as I can get like in here and in Robinhood now and everything. But basically, they have for the federal funds rate thing today, right? So I put no on no change. So if there is if they do decide to do anything with the rate this month, which is unlikely, that'll be like an instant $100. So that'll be fun. Like nothing major, but just like kind of cool.
yeah, something.
And I'm
like,
also
yeah.
long. Well, I'm now long Robinhood here in my trade pool, but I'm also long XSP calls. So
Gotcha. You swinging those?
Getting a
you swinging those, right?
Yeah, I've been rolling all week. So I had basically the positions that I have open now are free, but they've almost evaporated. So we'll see if they come back. But I honestly think they do. Yeah, because it just right here. Let's see. And that's nice too, having something going on because if yeah, see, I had the 641 and 642 on the 29th. I think I had something on the 28th too, and I rolled it, and then I think this one expired, and I had the 644. Took profit on that, and that paid for these.
Nice.
So then, yeah. So I mean, that's worth. What's the market worth of this right now? $13.
Okay.
But
hey,
obviously,
$13 for 13. No,
yeah,
nice.
yeah. But my other stuff is doing. I think I mentioned WSDS before, but I don't know why natural gas has been popping off the way that it has. But I think it's not just WDS, but that's cool. That must be in the money now. Not quite.
Eddie,
And then these are just the same.
About to break pre-market highs now. Go ahead.
These are just
go ahead.
Yeah.
Same names. No, I'm just saying these are the same names I've always got. You can see where I was rolling it and like rolling it. So I've pulled my profits out like 3 times over, so it's kind of annoying. But yeah, yesterday everything was trying to go, and then we just kind of lost the footing, I guess.
Yeah.
But I think this looks. I mean, I think it's like bearish, but I think the second it gets a chance, we just
pop right back up. Yeah. Well, it looks like this previous that previous right there. Go back to that chart that you went to.
The 10-minute.
Yeah. Yeah, that can go to your left and go to that bottom of that go to your left. Left.
Yep. Hold on a second. I just want to see.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So obviously, if we lose that, it's. But
yeah, it cracked, and then that consolidated and it came back. So I mean, you might get another pop in there. I'm just looking at the
why is
chart.
this not
stuff,
loading?
so.
There we go. Why is this not loading? That's weird. Look at this. It's like a gap. But everything hates me lately, technology wise. That's the other thing too. Yesterday, I was spending a chunk of time trying to get a hard drive. I had a hard drive die on me this weekend too. So like a solid state one too. It just stopped working like randomly.
Oh, hey Tim, before you go, let me ask you this question. I was gonna ask you, how do you feel about the potential 24-hour market trading for stocks? How do you feel about that?
You mean like personally or?
Yeah, I mean,
Um,
just overall, like, how do you feel about that? Do you feel that it should be or it shouldn't be or too much or what?
I don't know that I have a strong opinion. I mean, I think in principle you could say it's good that it's only certain times, but now there's so many options globally where you can get exposure,
Yeah.
and it's really shutting U.S. traders out because you've got the stock tokens on the blockchain, right? And you can trade them like not legally if you're in the U.S., but in the rest of the world, and those I think trade 24/7.
Hmm.
So I think without I mean, it was something that people wanted anyway, right? But
Yeah.
uh, but we've had that practically for a long time now. Blue Ocean's been for a while, but the liquidity is not the same, right?
Yeah, that's
But yeah,
that.
TradingView just added that to their default. I think it's free in TradingView now to have Blue Ocean data. Interactive Brokers is same as Robinhood, but it doesn't show up in the charts, which is annoying.
Yeah, that's the only thing that I say that would be like a downfall with trading 24 hours. I would like the 24 hours, but I think that would be the downfall is the volume, the liquidity of everything that is running. I think that would have a major impact. Um,
I think it just also kind of sucks then too because you can never step away, right? If you're a pure day trader, right, or if you're only like sitting in front of the console managing it, or you've got really good either algos or like you've got your levels all set up, like that's all
mhm.
great. But it kind of sucks if there's like a news thing that drops, and then you have to go manage the position right away because
Right.
the market's moving,
Yeah.
versus if you're like, okay, let me read the news, digest it, and then like, I'll have to deal with that in the morning kind of thing.
Yeah.
Um, and then it, potentially, I think it'll be really interesting to see. So, uh, with margin stuff, right? Like, people are going to get liquidated potentially in what would have been when the market was closed before.
Mhm.
And so I wonder if that's really going to start changing dynamics of stuff a lot. Like, um, and I wonder if you'll see more institutions participating in the 24-hour thing. Like,
No, I
I don't know.
definitely believe that. I definitely believe that they'd be interested into the 24 hours. I mean, why not? It brings more opportunity. It brings more money to the market. Um, for people that can't trade the daytime hours, because
Mm-hmm.
they work night shift, that it'll be able to work and maintain trading. Now, not to say that's the safest way of doing it, but it'll just bring more opportunity and money to the table. So and the reason why I asked is because I'm just looking at SRPT, and this was a 24-hour, and looking at it went from $15 to 18, and this is something I was trading yesterday, and I was just like, if I was working, nights, this would have been like a great opportunity to like go long, seeing this in the after hours, and trading this after 8, 9 o'clock, because there's so much opportunity just in the stock alone. So that's why I just had to ask your opinion. How do you feel about the 24-hour trading? Um, if and I think they will. I think they will open this up, but it won't be anytime soon. But I think they will open this up within the next few years here. So
Who will?
yeah, it's just I don't know.
What do you mean they? You mean like trade the pool, or you mean
No, just
like
overall. It'll be just overall. The government and all will agree to 24 hours, the entire market, trading.
oh yeah.
So,
I think practically like most things now I think are in the 24-hour market. Like I see most of the things moving. But the thing is there's no liquidity on some of them like at all. Like a lot of the ETFs, right?
yeah.
Like the spreads get really wide. Like it's not just trade the pool. Like if you look at actually I think Godell is only pulling total view as well, but if you look at like
Oh, for sure. For sure.
some of the ETFs or some of the like big like even Target, right? The spread gets like $2 wide. Um, so and like right now with futures, right? Like you can trade futures almost around the clock,
Mhm.
but it's almost not worth it from like 6 p.m. till at least 8 or 9 p.m. and often till like 3 a.m. because it's just so much chop with all the Asian markets opening and closing and all this stuff. And then
Yeah.
once the London session opens, then it starts to get interesting, right? And then Frankfurt, London, New York, right? Then it's like okay, now stuff's happening.
Right.
Um, but yeah, even in futures and forex, it's like you can trade it, but like I'll trade Nasdaq sometimes in the evenings, but I won't trade the Russell because at least on the micros the spreads are too wide and it's just too. It doesn't really move much. So you got wide spreads, like barely much movement, and just bouncing around and stuff. It's just not really a huge point to it. So yeah, I really wonder if you'll start to see like activity in there that makes it worthwhile.
Yeah, we shall see. We shall see. No, I just wanted to ask you that. That's all. I'll be right back. Let me send this email right quick for my daughter. I'm not gonna go on mute.
Yeah, I thought I was done with the sinus stuff too, and now just the left side of my face is just clogging up. I can feel it.
Oh, come on. Come on, BGLC. Let's go. Let's go up.
Next year, I want to go to this again. I didn't get a chance to go this year yet. Feel free to mute the stream if you don't love my music, but we're not going to have anything of note on mine audio wise until FOMC, and I might not even share that.
So the BGLC was not ready yet to die. I think it will test the near 10. Or if it really
Oh,
wide
we're
to
gonna
tell.
move.
Quite boring list today. Spotify seems to be my best. one for today.
Okay, I'm back. Um, VGOC, man, it's 80% now, so I definitely want to keep this on watch. But I was looking at REPL for a short, and I just couldn't get um a pullback until now. And right now we're kind of like in the ocean if you look at the daily chart here. The top is at 706, and on the daily chart, it's right where previous support is at. So I would like for this to retest and fail, and then once it starts failing, and go ahead and start shorting it.
Did Bark actually get delisted? That's
Um,
crazy.
I don't know if this is. I would like for it to get up like in the 100%, but the only thing is that if you look at the last previous 5 days, this stock is up 100%, even though that it fell from 13 to 2. This is a major bounce, so this is something that's in play for me today. Um, from 268 to $7, $8, I'll short this for sure.
Yeah, you're not looking that to go to the 10.
If it goes to the 10, hey, it's great. That's more meat on the bones for me.
Yeah, yeah, I was looking at that.
Yeah, I'll take it. But it just failed from this previous support area, so that's important to kind of factor in there. But if it could pass the 706 and get to like it's $9 area, maybe 10, then hey, you know what? Maybe if it gets up to like 1050, I may not even trade it because it may have to test that 1324 area.
Yeah, after 1050.
Yeah, so I may have to like sit on my hands and watch this.
Yeah, I will put my alerts on this line and then alert on the BTLC on. I will put alert on 970, 980 and 11, not $12 range. So there's the two pivots. I like the 980 a lot because that
Yeah,
was,
that's another that 950, that's another consolidation support area before it had that huge meltdown.
yeah.
Um, so I may not trade that if it gets that high, unless it starts showing like complete weakness on lower lows. Um, yeah, may not. We'll see.
Yeah.
It's retesting now.
Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.
SRPT is now. Ugh, I don't like that drop.
Real hard with it.
But 1841, this $18 area is definitely showing weakness across the platform again. 1876, 1887, 1841, all been failing. It's a $2 range. I can't do that.
Look at SoFa's yesterday daily candle. That could be a really bearish thing.
What ticker?
SoFi, SOFI. that daily candle. All greens eaten up.
Let's see. Yeah.
So I
At,
think
at,
there are
at
a
25.
lot of profit taking soon if this breaks this area where it's now. So,
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Hey,
nice,
Joker. Good morning.
Good morning.
just doing the prepping. No trades.
Um, yeah, that broke that's new highs for it. 52-week high, it broke highs.
Yeah, and it was up from $9 to 25, nearly 25. So from April. So
Yeah, I wouldn't touch this though. And I wouldn't short this either, just
I'm shorting
because
if it
because it,
breaks and retest, then I short it.
yeah, I was gonna say it needs because it's a new high. It needs a retest to make sure that that's not um to make sure that that is the high that they're gonna stick with for now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wouldn't short this. Looks good.
I have a feeling that it will die before the bell.
Really?
Yeah.
Nah, I think this is gonna spike.
Guys in anything right now?
Just by looking at the structure of this, um, you know, 20 is this bottom here and it's been climbing just a little bit. If it's if it dies, it would have to die under this 2036. It would have to.
You're
Yeah.
talking
But
about
it can
SoFi.
bounce from 1970 or
Yeah,
1980.
Joker, we're talking about SoFi. Yeah, what'd you say, Pare?
It could bounce from the 1970. There's the 2 weeks down there. So it has have bounced twice from that. So
That's a disgusting chart. But I mean,
yeah. Yeah.
I'm looking at the
It's
five
not my
day.
main look, but I have that on watch.
Okay. Yeah, no, I would like to see. I would like to see, and I mean, and plus, it's already given back the gains from yesterday. So if you look at what day is that? The 28th. You had this period of consolidation, right? And then uptrend. It came back to kind of retest that consolidation, and then we had that strong push to 25.
Yeah.
It gave it
Yeah.
all back in one day.
Yeah.
Um, so now, so now looking at this, we're literally in this consolidation again. So if it breaks this 2036, then I do believe that the stock will be dead. But if it don't, I can definitely see this spiking back, um, at least to the 22 area, at least to the 22.
Yeah. Could be.
Um, but hey, did they do an offering? That looks like an offering move in aftermarket though.
Yeah, they have doing offering. 1.5 billion stock offering, pricing
Oh
71.
yeah. Oh well, yeah. This move might be over. Then you might be right. You might be right. If they did an offering, then this move might be over.
Yeah. 2085. So they're just over there now. No, it will go in a range because that offering.
You know. Yeah. Then yeah, you might be
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
This
No, but it
um
has really to break this because this is a range where it's now. So that's the offering price.
mhm.
So I think it will go in a range for a while in this because
Yeah, they have to make a decision if they're going to try to pop this again,
yeah,
or if this stock is just going to die off. So, um, yeah, good one to watch. I'll keep it on watch, but I'm not trading it.
No, this is a stock that you have to have about 10 cent stop on it
Yeah.
and take 20 or 30 cents off that. So
No, not necessarily. I mean, you can. I mean, if you have enough size in there, you can do like a dollar risk on this. Why not? I mean, if it was to pop to like 21, like 21.60,
yeah,
I would do $1 where it had that offering 22.43 22.50 max. If it passes that, then yeah, you know
yeah.
it's just gonna be
This is the
slow.
off when they do the offering. So I have a feeling that the price stays in that offering range because
Right.
no one wants to pay more because of the offering. So
No.
usually on the small caps I have traded and been in for long trade, long swing
No.
trade. So when
Yeah,
they
and
do
yeah,
offerings,
I was just gonna say that too. Yeah, this would be a good swing trade too if this was to happen. Go back into the like 22 area and then drop, from
yeah,
22 to I don't know where this gap happened to like 19, 18, maybe 17. So
yeah.
That was a good trade.
But
Don't think it
SRPT is on
counts
my
though.
list today.
Joker, did you trade anything this morning or are you watching?
Uh, I just got on. I got off the CFD's account just now. Everything was dumping because
I
of
don't think
news.
that trade counted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just got on. I'm looking at BGLC. That's about it.
Okay.
Which news? I gotta poke my head up, I guess.
Uh, so news came out at
Oh, it did
8:15.
count.
That's the ADP
That's good.
non-farm employment change, the
Oh,
advanced
yeah, yeah.
GDP, and then yeah, that's about it. I
I
think
forgot that was today. I thought that was.
gold dumped heavy. I was in a room just now with a guy, and I think he profited about like 50,000 off of that one dump.
Yeah, lost 20 points.
REPL just failed at 706 again. Oh, this is tough. I wish I would have did that in intraday when the market opened. Jeez.
All right, I gotta dip. I'll be in the conference room probably later working on stuff if anyone's interested, and we got FOMC later, so probably be
Sounds
in for
good,
that.
Tim.
Cool. Have a good one, man.
Later.
Yeah, but
Good to see y'all.
Nice. Um, man, yeah, it's failing again. Jeez. Come on, give me one more pop before it open.
yeah, there's a double top now.
Yeah, see, this morning I was there when it hit right after it hit the 706.
You're right back, chat.
I was in on this first pop on the minute chart and I was just like, that's not like a significant pullback. Because if you look at the 3 minute and the 5 minute, I was like, nah, that's not really a pullback. But I should have traded that. I should have traded that and got, a couple dollars off of that. Um, maybe some change off of this rundown here. Um,
Okay,
but I
I'm
just
back.
didn't think that that was an actual pullback. But this right here is, and it failed. So I hope that it
Those
stays in this like 670 area.
those who like trend line, so there's a quite nice trend on that up.
Yeah, on the upside, yeah. Okay, so would you say that it's safe to take off LIDR off my watch list?
Don't ask me.
I mean, I think so. We had 640, the 644 top, and then yesterday was the first red day. Well, yeah, I guess you could say it. Yesterday was the first red day for sure. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this off for now. I'm sure I'm gonna hear about a pop for a bounce later on. I think I'm gonna take that off. Clean up my watch list here. MCVT. Now this one here, I'm gonna keep this on. I want to see if it passes as 801, just because it's been kind of slow. Volume's been slowing down, but we're still in the range. Um,
Oh, BTLC was close to the 977.
is anybody watching S SGD?
No.
Yeah, it's on for a second green day. Um, it did break this 164 previous top or yesterday's top. It did break it. They were above it. So if anybody's looking to go long on that one, maybe. Um, and I'm gonna take SoFi off for now. I'll look at it later. Okay, so Propel number one, number two, then number three.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How's your day? Are we all having a good day?
Good morning, Bill.
Good
No, no
morning.
trades yet.
So far it's slow.
I was thinking that.
No, it's slow, but it's all right.
Wait, in a minute till the sun goes up. So
um, so, has anyone traded yet?
I haven't traded anything yet. I'm looking at REPL. I have BGLC, SRPT. Um, those are my top three. But then I also have SGD. That one's going on a
I'm in a
second
trade right now, and it's
so let's
going
see
down on
how
me.
this one goes because that
So I'm
that was the
adjusting my
first
stop loss.
shorting. I think they had some type of significant news.
It's consolidating here around the
Which one's that?
$8 level.
SGD.
Oh, SGD, yeah.
Yeah, this is the one. Matter of fact, you and I traded this in
I want to see it
before, and this
pop
was
up
a
now.
nice fader. I think I
Oh,
caught the very bottom of this at the end of the day.
oh, well, that's the one then. That's the
Yeah, I
one.
think this was back in April. I think it
Right.
popped up. Um, because it was with WOK, um, Wheeler, and I think there's one more. But yeah,
826. It's currently at 815.
but it's up on it's running again, so I'm gonna see what
I'm
it
down
does.
$21.
But also I have
Down $29.
CLC, even though that
Oh,
even though we
no.
said even though we said I was gonna trade it, but
Risking down to $7.80.
we're in the 40s now, so I am looking to see if we start to get some volume to come kicking in after it passes this 42, 43, and hopefully we get past this 46 with volume. That's all I'm looking for is more volume. If we start to
Yeah.
get more volume in, then I'll go ahead and take another trade on it. Because
Oh, yeah.
yesterday was trash.
So I have this scanner. It's what you see on the right. And I'm playing the top 5
Late enough to the screens as it is without
stocks that meet my criteria.
Yeah.
I have a set criteria. It has to be between 2 and 20
I still have that, and then
for stock price. It has to have a flow under 10 mil.
that one I watched just to see what it's gonna do.
So
It's
there's some other criteria too.
So I'm wondering if we're probably gonna get a
Needs to be up at least 5% on the day.
past 801, but we'll see. Yeah, if you look at the daily chart, this is technically its third green day. So even though that looks kind of messed up, but
And then from there, it's just a matter of watching the chart.
or its previous closing.
Like the volume was low on this red candle.
BT.
So I'm hoping that we get green volume a lot that pushes this into a green candle and goes up.
No volume.
Yeah.
But it consolidated all yesterday. With
My target profit target's $9, which will give me $148.
So
And
yeah, so that's
no big runners today yet.
no, REPL is the main one that
I think it's gonna
is,
stop me out.
somewhat running.
Yep,
BPL
it's gonna
is
stop
another
me
one,
out.
But looks
I'm
like
out.
it's tapped out at 9:45.
Fucking trade just didn't work.
What was the news on that? BGLC.
And now it wants to go.
It's got no cash left. 1.2 million floats. What was the news?
Risk $80. Come on,
Oh,
go.
trash.
News.
It's a diagnostic announcement landmark alliance touted as a new deep-seek moment in precision oncology. Yeah, trash. This might be a good fader today.
We're in at 8.
And
It's down to 790.
There's no dilution. They don't have anything here to. Ooh, I'm sorry. That's loud. You gotta calm down.
Pop up. Come on.
Turn this down. Rainfall. There it goes.
Oh, L that you mentioned has got a larger float.
Yeah, it does. It does have a larger float, so it's probably going to be slow after it makes his move 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
If it's on the downside, then it's probably just gonna kind of chop down all the way, which I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that as long as it does what I want it to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, based on your ability to read the chart and read the candlesticks, because each candlestick tells you information.
As long as it's going to the downside.
Like, it's wanting to reverse.
The lines all over this, so I must have chosen
It's wanting to go up. But people are selling
I'm not going to
more than people are buying.
on my list, but good luck with that. If it
So it's
moves,
just kind of hovering.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
binge on it
It's
from
like balanced right
about
now.
yesterday.
Yeah.
And we need it to be
I'll definitely let you know
imbalanced
how it goes.
to the bull side so that it goes up to the buyer side. People need to stop selling so the price goes up.
Ugh. 4 minutes until the market opens.
BGLC. Let's take a look at this.
So is there I know that the news came out this morning. Is there any other news that's coming out this week with anything related to Trump, the government, the all any of that? Is Jerome talking?
FMOC.
When
That's
okay,
later.
when is that?
It's later today.
Okay.
But they usually 2 o'clock your time.
2 o'clock. Okay.
Come on, let's go.
I'm far by done. I'm sleeping by then.
You want to go? Let's go.
Let's have a look on What are you looking at, Eddie?
BGLC and REPL.
Yeah, we have 2 minutes until open. I hope this thing spikes back up. I don't want to have to take this at 6 and cut it at 550.
It comes down with your ability to predict what's going to happen next based on probabilities. And you get that information by being able to read the chart, read the tape, which is on the right hand side in the middle, and being able to see what price is doing. And then managing risk is probably the biggest thing and is my weakest thing. But that's taking the right share size, the right entries, right exits. This is going to stop me out.
Good luck, everyone. Good luck.
Yep, good luck, everyone.
Good luck. Yeah, it stopped me out.
I'm back. I'm here.
Here we go. Let's spike.
Come on. Break the high. Break that 8. Break that 8.
Green. Stay green. Oh, that's tough. What's the percentage on that?
Let's go. Come on.
That is not a 73% move.
OPEN.
Yeah.
ACRS.
Stop me out again.
SGD.
Oh,
MRAL.
what BGLC is going to do now.
Jeez, it fell? Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
WDC. SGD. JOBY.
Mind you, look at SGD.
Dang, I knew I should have taken that.
TI. SRPT.
This is gonna fade. Mike.
MP.
And it broke that low.
SGD. UABS. RECI. SW. TTMI. CABA.
Back to 19 on that.
AMDL.
All right, I just blew up my account.
JOBY.
I'm pretty sure.
ACRS. PGEN.
BGLC.
ATNF. GENI. RECI.
How does that look on the daily chart? Yeah.
Almost blew it up, but I hit the daily loss. Fucking rip.
PGEN. PIITNF. Less than a minute. RECI. CAPR.
Well, that's what happens when you get on tilt and you don't have any discipline and you decide to take big size when you told yourself you wouldn't. It's on me.
ABAT.
Okay, I'm putting my focus in BGLC now.
Yeah, that right now.
Yeah, REPL is it's not doing what I wanted it to do. I knew I should have taken that 640 when I had the chance, but I didn't.
PI.
But if it can retest this $7 area, it'd be great. But I think I'm gonna put my focus in BGLC.
ABAT.
Fucking rip.
SRPT. I like
Yeah,
it's up.
I was looking at SGD.
SGD.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at it for an entry at 211, but it didn't get there. So that was that. So, like you, I'm going to have another look at BGLC. I've already got a level marked on this from previously, 1090. From the weekly chart. I'll mute now because I'm talking to myself.
Well, I just blew up my account.
Oh, Eddie, I'm sorry. What happened?
Oh, I went short on BGLC, and then that spike hit my stop loss, and I was too close to my daily loss limit.
So was it a daily pause or an account?
I'm only like $50 away from blowing the account, so I'm considering it blown.
Well, no.
Never too late.
Yeah.
You can still recover it.
It's never too late.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a slow process to recover when it's that red. I know, I know how you feel about that for sure. But I would certainly keep trying with it and see if you can rather than go to paper trading.
Yeah.
Go back to what was working. I mean, you have to. You just gotta have to sit on your hands and go back to what's working. Trust me, I'm in that same situation with you. So
I told myself I was going to take small size today. It was a recovery day, and I didn't do any of that. I went on tilt,
yep.
and
Mhm.
even though I told myself,
Yeah, nope. Hey, I'm right behind you on that one. If not, I'm right in front of you on that one. Yeah, you're just gonna have to walk away from the screen, and you're gonna have to literally just kind of analyze and say, hey, what's going on, and reset. And you're gonna have to sit on your hands and trade exactly your trade. Don't put no thesis into it and say, hey, what if it does this? Let me get here. Nope, just you see your setup, you trade your setup, and that's it.
yeah,
That's that. And you're gonna have to another thing is too, I do the same thing is paper trade. Like
yeah,
paper trade, if you see your setup, take it just to make sure that it's you and not your setup. Because if your setup is not working, then hey, maybe the market, it's not the right market structure for your setup.
right.
I'm bearish. So if everything is going bullish, maybe it's just not my setup. But if your setup is still working, just like I did with DELC when it was moving, I was like, okay, my setup is still working. That's me. I'm being stupid. Then you go ahead and continue to say, hey, trade your trade and your trade only.
Yeah. I don't know why I lost discipline, but I did.
That happens. You got to get it back.
We're humans, man. We're flawed. We're never perfect.
It's true. It is what it is.
We look it on BGLC. 6, 7, 9.
Yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is.
Hey, I knew I should have took that 640. I knew it. Now it's all the way down in the fives, and it's probably gonna hit 550. Okay, I'm letting that go.
AMNR.
BWAV.
BWAV. HIMC. BWAV halted. BWAV will resume at 9 hours 46 minutes and 14 seconds.
BGLC. IXHL.
NMRK.
BWAV. COSM.
BWAV. HIMC.
What is that? Is that 774? 74?
Yeah, it's moving, Parker. It's moving.
Yeah.
And I'm out of that. Oh my
I want to
god.
take. You try to go short on it?
No, I was long.
Oh, okay.
It teased me at my stop loss just now, but I came out at like I came out at like $90, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, I stopped at 867.
Gotcha.
BGLC.
You know, that's the thing with stocks, man. I noticed like in almost everything, because I don't know how you guys trade. Usually I have like two charts open. I have one that's at least like 15 minutes or an hour, and the other like a minute. And then I kind of just scale in off of the hour to the minute and find my entry. But like for stocks, the volatility is crazy. Like it goes up and down in like a couple milliseconds, and you can be stopped out before you can even.
Well, shit.
I think BGLC is gonna just continue to ride off of that EMA though.
Ooh. Dude, I'm looking at my chart like, what is going on? Dude, I don't even have VWAP up. I'm like, bro, my chart is looking stupid. Why?
Well, there you go. That's the problem.
No, dude, I would no look. I was literally sitting here like, why is my chart looking like this? Like, it looks great, but it's something's missing. As soon as you said that, I was like, oh, VWAP. Oh,
You're welcome.
Oh yeah.
yes,
No, I'm good.
Thank you. No, okay.
I'm on tilt, but
Now this makes sense. Okay.
I'm not like
Let me take this off.
crashing out. I'm just like reflecting.
Give me another green candle.
What are you in right now, Parker?
I'm looking at BGLC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm
out
I'm looking for a short on this, but
that gave me too much anxiety just now.
if I can get a small pullback on this, I'm going to take my first entry right at this bottom at 770. If it gives me a
I was
pullback.
about to tell you 773.
Yeah. that's tough.
BMNR. OKLL.
FBAM.
SHOL.
RCON.
STX.
BP.
There.
BP. CREV SMX. CREV will resume in 9 hours 50 minutes and 42 seconds. UAV. SHOL.
XBP.
Ooh, excuse me.
LIDR.
AACG.
Hey, is anybody looking at BMNR right now?
GLC.
No, I took that off a
Next.
couple weeks ago.
EN. ST. HIMC.
BWAV.
BWAV. FFAI.
SMX. XBP.
Well, I think I'm gonna call it.
Yep, it's gonna go without me. That's
We'll call it a
I'm okay
day.
with that.
I was gonna paper trade, but
BGLC, it's gone without me too.
just not feeling it.
Yeah, it's not cooperating right here. But I mean, I should have had a small entry right underneath
WAV.
where it unhalted and then it tried to gap up and then it just failed. I mean,
All right, Kick. We're gonna send you over
still
to
at 125. I don't know
Jeffrey
why he
Trades.
pulled the trigger on that. And then this 696 is definitely too low for me to even get an entry in, considering that that's yeah, that's almost a
UAV.
$2. Nah,
Yeah.
I'm okay.
All right, guys. I will catch y'all later. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see what
Yeah, we
happens.
really need it to go back up, don't we?
Have a good one.
Yeah.